In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate credit card payment, bank reconciliation error in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever finished a reconciliation and then realized that a credit card payment was duplicated, you know how frustrating that can be. The good news is, fixing this type of error in QuickBooks Online is usually straightforward once you know exactly where to look and what to adjust. I'll walk you through the full process, step by step, and along the way, I'll explain what each action is doing behind the scenes so your books stay accurate going forward. First, start by opening your chart of accounts. This is the central place where all your accounts live, including your credit cards, bank accounts, and income and expense accounts. Look for the specific credit card account where the payment was duplicated. Once you find it, click on View Register. The register functions a lot like a checkbook ledger. It shows every single transaction tied to that credit card, including payments, charges, and any bank feed matches you've made. Next, scroll through the register and locate the duplicate transaction. You may find two identical payments with the same date and amount, or very close to it. Take a moment to confirm which one is the extra, so you're not deleting the legitimate payment. When you're sure you've identified the duplicate, click into that transaction and choose Delete. This will remove the extra payment from the register and immediately update the balance for that credit card account. Now, there's an important extra step if that duplicate transaction had already been reconciled in a previous reconciliation. When a transaction is reconciled, it gets marked with an R in the register. If you delete something that was reconciled, you'll need to make sure the remaining correct transaction is still properly accounted for. To do this, go back to your bank feed for that credit card and locate the real payment that should remain on the books. Then, in the register, make sure that transaction is marked as reconciled with an R. This keeps your beginning and ending balances consistent and prevents problems in your next reconciliation. Once you've done that, your credit card account balance should be accurate again, and your future reconciliations will line up correctly. That's all it takes to fix a duplicate credit card payment related to a bank reconciliation error in QuickBooks Online.